Hello everyone, welcome back to M365 Professional's Introduction to SharePoint. Microsoft SharePoint is a powerful platform that helps organizations manage documents, collaborate efficiently, and streamline business processes. It's a web-based tool designed to make sharing and organizing information easier while boosting productivity. SharePoint is widely used by businesses of all sizes for content management, team collaboration, and building intranet websites. This article will provide a detailed introduction to SharePoint and its core functionalities. What is SharePoint? SharePoint is a product of Microsoft that integrates with Microsoft 365 to offer solutions for document management, team collaboration, and workflow automation. It serves as a central hub where teams can store, organize, and share files securely. SharePoint is available as SharePoint Online, a cloud-based service that is part of Microsoft 365. SharePoint Server, an on-premises solution for companies wanting more control over their environment. SharePoint allows users to create intranet sites for sharing information and managing business processes. It's highly customizable and scalable, making it suitable for various industries. Key features of SharePoint: document management and storage. SharePoint offers a centralized place for storing documents. It supports version control, metadata tagging, and document check-in, check-out to ensure that teams are always working on the latest version of files. Collaboration and team sites. Team members can collaborate on projects using dedicated SharePoint sites. These sites provide shared libraries, task lists, calendars, and discussion boards, making teamwork seamless. Intranet and communication sites. Organizations use SharePoint to create intranet portals where employees can access internal resources, company news, and policies. Communication sites help deliver content to a broad audience in a visually appealing way. Workflow automation. SharePoint integrates with Power Automate to automate repetitive tasks like approval workflows, notifications, and data collection. This reduces manual work and improves efficiency. Integration with Microsoft 365. SharePoint works closely with Microsoft 365 tools like Microsoft Teams, Outlook, OneDrive, and Power BI, creating a comprehensive productivity ecosystem. Files stored in SharePoint can be accessed directly from these tools. Security and compliance. SharePoint ensures data security through permissions management, multi-factor authentication, and encryption. Compliance features help businesses meet industry standards and regulations. Benefits of using SharePoint: centralized information hub. SharePoint acts as a central location for all organizational information, eliminating the need for multiple storage locations. Improved collaboration. Teams can work together in real time, co-authoring documents and tracking changes efficiently. Enhanced productivity. Automation and integration with other Microsoft tools streamline workflows, reducing time spent on manual tasks. Customizable solutions. SharePoint offers flexibility for building customized solutions like project management sites, internal knowledge bases, and company portals. Remote access with SharePoint Online. Employees can access files and resources from anywhere, enhancing remote work capabilities. Practical use cases of SharePoint: document collaboration and approval. SharePoint makes it easy for teams to collaborate on documents and get approvals with automated workflows. Project management sites. Teams can manage projects with custom SharePoint sites that include task lists, schedules, and resource tracking. Employee onboarding. Companies can create onboarding portals with relevant training materials, company policies, and forms for new employees. Internal communication. SharePoint intranet sites serve as a platform for company announcements, news, and employee engagement activities. How to get started with SharePoint. To start using SharePoint, you need a Microsoft 365 subscription. You can access SharePoint Online through the Microsoft 365 dashboard. If you're a business looking for an on-premises solution, you'll need to install SharePoint Server. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. Create a site. Choose between a team site for collaborating or a communication site for broad content sharing. Customize the site, add web parts, document libraries, and workflows based on your needs. Invite users, share the site with your team and set appropriate permissions. Integrate with Microsoft 365, connect with Teams, OneDrive, and Power Automate to enhance functionality. Conclusion: Microsoft SharePoint is a versatile platform that transforms how businesses manage content and collaborate. Whether it's improving document management, creating a centralized information hub, or automating business processes, SharePoint plays a crucial role in boosting organizational productivity. By leveraging its capabilities, companies can streamline workflows, enhance communication, and work more efficiently. If you're new to SharePoint, it is worth exploring its full potential to see how it can meet your organization's needs. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates.